डोंट यू देयर गिव मी दृष्टि, ओके? पेंटिंग पे भी फूल चाहिए, मेरे को सोफे पे भी फूल चाहिए और मेरी बेडशीट पे भी फूल है. आई थिंक दिस इज कॉल्ड एडमोडा. इट्स अ बैड वर्ड. प्लीज साइलेंस दैट वर्ड. आई एम ट्रस्टिंग यू. It is called EDMODA. This is really heavy. This is the reason I have biceps, guys. It doesn't match everything, but then again, I don't care if I'm going to the supermarket. I have to tell you, most of mine are gifted. चश्मे, perfume, घर की चाबियां. Hey everyone, Poonam here. So guys, today's episode was originally supposed to be What's in my bag part 2, and then we figured अच्छा something like that 2-3 साल पहले तो किया हुआ ही हमने, तो we thought we will just show you collection of my bags. Now what lot of you don't know, because you have been asking me on email and in the comment section, oh ma'am, what brand of bags, what brand of luggage, what brand of shoes. मेरा एक मानना है कि यार अगर वो चीज़ अच्छी क्वालिटी की हो और अपना काम कर रहा हो तो बैग को नेसेसरीली आपकी गाड़ी की प्राइस की होने की जरूरत नहीं है. That is my logical explanation. Most of the bags that I have treasured across the years have been non-branded bags. Let me make that very clear. And थोड़े बहुत जो मेरे होते हैं branded bags, 99% they're always gifted. So we just thought it'll be fun to show you my collection of bags and why I love what I love. Let's get started. Guys, just in case you didn't see the not so subtle evil eye, तो ये guys मेरी mom ने दिया है. She got it from Indonesia, I think. क्योंकि इसमें bird park के keychains भी है. Okay, but her logic was कि baby, obviously all moms think that children are the best, right? And usually वो तुमको दृष्टि बहुत लगता है, ये बैग ले लो, तुमको वैसी दृष्टि नहीं मिलेगी क्योंकि ये तुम्हारे बिहाफ पे सबको evil eye दिखा देगा. So guys, this was a notch above the evil eye bracelet and the evil eye pendant. Just carry a bag. I think अगला क्या होगा? Evil eye आपके कुर्ते पे ही होगा. No, that will be a good defense or armor. I never use this. Again, I can't throw it. I will show you what's in my bag and also show you my collection of eclectic bag collection that I have. Okay, I will now move on to the next. Don't you dare give me drishti, okay? ऑनलाइन गई टैसल वाले बैग ढूंढने के लिए, इकलौता थोड़ा अच्छा वाला मिला. But I've actually ordered couple of them from US now and they'll be on their way. I will have a separate tassels bag collection video, I guess. Yeah guys, don't ask me what brand this is. As you have guessed, I really don't care. But those around me care about others caring. You get what I'm saying? मम्मी बोलेगी बेटे no brand matters, okay? Manager will be like no, you need to carry a nicer bag. तो उनके लिए मैं थोड़ा बहुत ब्रांड का देखती हूँ, बट मेरे अपने लिए हो तो बस है यार, बैग है, सामान उठा रहा है, आपको अच्छा लग रहा है, कंधे पे सिक्योर है, इसमें ऑल्दो कुछ ज़्यादा फिट नहीं आता. बट या आई हैव टू इंट्रोड्यूस दिस. गाइस, for those of you who couldn't make the connection, actually मेरा एक स्टेटमेंट चेयर भी है जिसका प्रिंट थोड़ा ऐसी ही है. मुझे फूल पसंद है, असली फूल भी पसंद है, प्लास्टिक ऑल्सो आई डोंट माइंड. पेंटिंग पे भी फूल चाहिए, मेरे को सोफे पे भी फूल चाहिए और मेरी बेडशीट पे भी फूल है. मोस्टली आई लाइक द कैंडी कॉरल कलर्स, रेड, ऑरेंज, येलो. बचपन से मेरे कंट्रोल के बाहर था. अगेन गाइस, don't ask me what brand this is. There's some kind of golden thing और ये कुछ Chanel का भाई या बहन है. Supposedly not as posh, but then see the print they made. They knew somebody like me will not care. I think this is called Edmoda. It's a bad word. Okay, editor Garu, please silence that word I just said. Supposedly in Telugu it's a very very bad word. बाकी के भाषा में कुछ मतलब नहीं है इसका. But I don't want to upset anyone in the state of Telangana and AP. So please silence that word. I'm trusting you. Guys, if it's not silenced, I gave the disclaimer, it's not me. It is called EDMODA. And yeah, I used it only once. But again, one of those bags that I don't feel like throwing. क्योंकि इसके फूल कितने सुंदर है. And it's a conversation starter. You know guys, sometimes you carry a regular classy bag, आपसे बैग के बारे में कोई बात नहीं करेगा. But you carry something like this guys, they will talk to you. इवन इफ इट इज जस्ट टू टेल यू दैट दैट्स अ हॉरिबल, ये क्या बैग है, ठीक है, इतने फूल कोई कैरी करता है क्या? ओ, वन ऑफ माई एक्ट्रेस फ्रेंड्स, आई एम नॉट नेमिंग हर, इफ शी इज वॉचिंग शी विल नो, शी once told me, she's like, oh god, you carry auntie bags, when she saw this. And I was like, fine, अगर auntie you get called क्योंकि आपको फूल पसंद है, तो फिर मैं आंटियों की PhD हूँ, क्योंकि फ्लावर मेरे DNA में है, फ्लावर एंड गाइस येलो बटरफ्लाई. I'm as cheesy as they come and I'm proud to own it. So guys, these are my few bags which are non-branded and have what I would call character because I see the beauty in it. We will move on to my next bag. Guys, I just have to reintroduce you to this bag. क्योंकि I think 2022 में हमने episode किया था What's in my bag, and this was the starring star then. ये था या इसका भाइया बहन था पता नहीं. I think that was white and this was beige. And again, stylist and manager are telling me to throw it away, and that's where we are having a problem. क्योंकि मुझे I don't know, अजीब सा अपनापन हो जाता है चीज़ों के साथ. And to date, this is the strongest bag I own, guys. It's leather bag. I think my dad got it from a store in Goa somewhere. Again, it's not branded. I couldn't care less. It's a great travel companion because I pack half my house in it. आज की तारीख में भी इसमें कम से कम 15 या 20 किलो का सामान आ सकता है. इसका खुद का वजन 2 किलो का है कम से कम. Another thing, guys, if you missed gym, this is really heavy. This is the reason I have biceps, guys. It's mainly because of the stuff I keep carrying. Yeah, I know my manager's gonna get so pissed seeing this bag because she told me to throw it, and I didn't throw it. But it's not my regular go-to bag. I just keep it, like one of the dear people you once used to know but don't meet as often. ये bag वो है. We move on to the next. Guys, this is the next bag. My next non-branded bag. I just want you to know there are around 6 more bags, but they didn't pass the quality control test among the non-branded bags by my stylist / manager / I don't know what else to call her. This made it though. ये fabric का bag है. ये मैंने Bangkok से खरीदा. बस, it's just a happy memory that I was walking through the mall and I saw one bag, and this comes to me when I go to departmental stores. अगर मैं सुपर मार्केट जा रही हूँ या कोई मार्केट जा रही हूँ where there's shopping for fruit, vegetables और घर का सामान, then by default I take this bag. It even goes sideways, which is great, and it doesn't match everything, but then again I don't care if I'm going to the supermarket. इसमें 99% सिर्फ मेरा वॉलेट होता है, फोन होता है, एक रबर बैंड होता है. And this is super lightweight. This is bang opposite of the leather bag I showed you. इसका वजन शायद 300 ग्राम भी नहीं है. So guys, this is my last unbranded bag for the day. Now moving on to the brands, guys. Brands. So this is a Coach bag, and since it was one of the first ones, no, not first one, but yeah, it was gifted to me a while back. So then it was like, oh, there's this nice brand called Coach and all. Little small for my taste because I can't pack my house in it. But as usual, it'll have a wallet. Guys, all my bags have some random stuff which I've forgotten about. This is some goal setting book where I didn't write any goals. Prayer book. Guys, मेरा पुराना कुंडली है एक. So obviously, I don't use this that often, but since it was among the earlier bags that were gifted to me by someone very special, I don't feel like throwing it. So guys, this was gift number 2 in the bag collection that I have. Kamna helped this person give me this bag, and ये lockdown के time मेरे को birthday gift मिला था. I still remember. Tata Click के डब्बे में आया था. I didn't know there was a brand called Kate Spade. And मैं अगर इसके बारे में सोचूं तो मैं अपने पैसे से ये बैग कभी नहीं खरीदती. For me, it was always about, is it a strong bag? Is it a big bag? Can I kind of pack in a lot of stuff in it? But no, that's not how this worked out. Initially, I didn't like it. मुझे कलर भी थोड़ा ऐसे ही लगा. हाँ जी, देखिए मंदिर की घंटी बजने लगी क्योंकि मैं सच बोल रही हूँ. Okay, that made no sense at all. Anyways, the people around me said, oh, this is a nice color and this is a nice bag and it doesn't look like something you normally carry. लोग जो मुझे करीब से जानते हैं या तो बहुत सालों से जानते हैं, 5 साल मेरे पास रहने के बाद ये अभी मेरा फेवरेट बैग हो गया, फेवरेट फॉर डेली यूज. सो गाइज दिस आई विल नॉट यूज फॉर सुपरमार्केट. सुपरमार्केट के लिए नॉन ब्रांडेड बैग था जो बैंकॉक से था, ठीक है. ये थोड़ा ब्रांडेड है, तो ये इट इज इफ आई एम गोइंग आउट टू अ प्लेस अदर देन सुपरमार्केट, coffee shop, restaurant, maybe mall also, or if there are some friends who are not close friends, they're like acquaintances friends, like thoda bahut impression ka pata nahi, then I carry this dress. It's a decent size, it fits a wallet and a phone, and I never reapply lip gloss, but somehow carrying a lip gloss makes you feel like ha bhi theek hai, I'm set, you know, I can look great the whole day. Let me see, there's a pencil also. And guys, anyone for a Kit Kat? Maybe you need a break, maybe I need a break, I don't know, maybe we both need a break. Okay. And I don't think my pasandida mard knows that his wallet is in my purse. अगर मैं अपने पसंदीदा मर्द को ये वॉलेट वापस ना दूँ तो this is fun. I won't tell him. Maybe I'll just go shop. Okay guys, तो ये गिफ्ट नहीं किया, ये मैंने खरीदा अपने पैसों से, ठीक है. आई थिंक आई स्टिल हैव दैट कॉलेज स्टूडेंट मेंटालिटी समवेयर इन माई हेड वेयर इट्स लाइक हू आई बॉट विद माई ओन मनी. अगेन दिस इज नॉट वन ऑफ द कन्वेंशनल ब्रांड्स. छुट्टी पे था ये, एंड दिस वॉज लास्ट ईयर September. I went to a mall in Malaysia, Borneo region. It was the fag end of my holiday, and amazing holiday था. There was lot of nature, lot of adventure, lot of that kind of stuff. But अगर बीच और शॉपिंग छुट्टी में ना हो, मुझे कुछ और लगता है. जैसे खाने में नमक कम है या तड़का नहीं है, कुछ तो और लगता है, कुछ something is off. So I have to go to a mall and shop something. And there we went to this store which had this couple of multiple brands that I've never heard about, but they were nice ones. This one's called Charles Berkeley. It costed me in Indian rupees around I think 25,000. जो मेरा अपर कैप लिमिट है बैग खरीदने के लिए, अगर मैं अपने पैसों से बैग खरीद रही हूँ तो. It's totally cool guys. Some of my friends love bags. I know they do that whole booking that bag, you know, before you can pre-book a bag. And then there are like auctions and sales and whatever. It's a whole different world. So मुझे वो समझ में आता है. क्या बैग्स के बारे में क्रेजी हो और आपको पसंद है तो ठीक है, बट आपको ना पसंद हो, आप नॉन ब्रांडेड बैग यूज करो तो भी कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता है. ऑनेस्टली दिस इज माई हम्बल ओपिनियन. नाउ आई विल एक्सप्लेन व्हाई आई लव दिस बैग सो मच. इट्स अ नाइस बिग बैग. लुक्स डजंट लुक सो बिग, बट गाइस चश्मे, परफ्यूम, यार ये तो मेरा मेकअप का दुकान है यहाँ पे. आई एम ग्लैड आई एम डूइंग दिस एपिसोड. लॉट ऑफ माई मेकअप आई कुडंट फाइंड, आई फॉरगॉट इट्स इन द बैग. घर की चाबियां, it's a unicorn keychain, just like that. I wouldn't recommend randomly carrying your passport, but mine is in my bag. ये लॉकर में होना चाहिए guys. Carry it only when you're traveling. Don't do what I do. Just because I am doing doesn't mean you should do. Please use your head. Keep your passport very safe. Skin doctor का prescription, जो मैंने पूरी तरह ऑब्वियसली यूज नहीं किया क्योंकि प्रिस्क्रिप्शन बैग के अंदर है. और क्या है, कोविड का बुखार तो खत्म हो गया, लेकिन मुझे अचानक से ऐसे फेजेस आते हैं, मूड आते हैं. आई डोंट नो व्हाई आई बॉट दिस. आई एम नॉट इवन गोइंग फॉर अ वेडिंग. मास्क तो आजकल पहनना भी बंद हो गया, बट मैंने रखा है कभी तो कोई इंडियन ड्रेस के लिए अगर मुझे एम्ब्रॉयडरी वाला मास्क चाहिए हो तो. Electrol. Okay, this is always useful guys. If you're at a party or a holiday, you know there'll be people drinking. Number of unpleasant situations that can be caused by alcohol can be negated if you just hydrate yourself well. So guys, Electrol is my go-to for like 1000 things. And random boarding passes which I need to throw. And oh god, 2 of my MAC lipsticks are here. I love this bag क्योंकि मैं भूल जाती हूँ सामान कहाँ पे, and then when I find it, it's like rediscovering new stuff all over again. So yeah guys, that pretty much summarizes my bag collection. I think suitcase में या बिस्तर के अंदर वो स्टोरेज में कुछ 3-4 बैग और हैं. बट उसके लिए हम पार्ट 2 करेंगे. इफ यू रियली लाइक द एपिसोड ऑन बैग्स एंड यू वांट टू सी ऑल द रेस्ट ऑफ माय बैग्स, प्लीज लेट अस नो. आई विल बी more than happy to show you my collection of unbranded bags and shoes. Till then, take care. Bye bye. God bless.